How do you come up with the equilibrium constant expression? How do you calculate the concentration of a given reactant or product when you have been given some variables? This question will help you to know how to answer that. In this question, we will notice how we come up with the equilibrium constant and also how to perform the calculation of the missing concentration. Before we can start, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Zuluba Consultants, and our Facebook page, Zuluba Consultants, for this and more videos. Please enjoy the video. The following reaction is at equilibrium. So we have this reaction. They are telling us it is at equilibrium. So the equilibrium constant at a particular temperature is 13.7. And if the equilibrium concentration of nitrogen gas is 1.88 and the equilibrium concentration of ammonia is 6.62, what is the equilibrium concentration of hydrogen? So we want to calculate this missing concentration. So let's see what we need to do. The first thing that we need to do is to write the equilibrium expression for this balanced equation. So for this balanced equation, the equilibrium expression K is equal to the concentration of the product exponent 2, then the concentration of the reactant, hydrogen is as the molar ratio 3, so it will be to the power 3. After this, let's see the next step that we need to do. Next step that we need to do is to substitute the concentrations and the K in the equilibrium expression that we have. Now remember, from the question, the K is 13.7, then the concentration of ammonia is 6.62, then the concentration of nitrogen is 1.88. So that's what we have done in this expression, which you can see here. We have put the K value there, the concentration of ammonia and the concentration of nitrogen. So the only concentration which we don't have is the concentration of hydrogen, and that's the question which they have asked us to find. We need to find the concentration of hydrogen. So let's see the next step that we need now to take. So the next step is just to rearrange the expression so that we make the concentration of hydrogen as the subject of the formula. So we have this expression. So if we get it, when we make hydrogen the subject of the formula, we'll have this new expression. Now after we have this new expression, when you look at hydrogen, the concentration of hydrogen is to the power 3. So this simply means we need to have the cube root of the concentration of hydrogen. So we'll have the cube root of the concentration of hydrogen is equal to the cube root of 6.22 squared divided by 1.88 multiplied by 113.7. So Here, these will simplify and will remain with the concentration of hydrogen. So the concentration of hydrogen, if you put these on your calculator, it should give you 1.15 moles. So this is the concentration of hydrogen, and it is the missing concentration in our expression. So for you to see if this expression or this answer is correct, in your equilibrium constant expression, you can replace 1.15 where there is the concentration of hydrogen. If after solving it gives you 13.7 as the equilibrium constant, then your mathematics was correct.